In an autopsy computer forensic investigation, if you would like to see quickly, after creating a case, opening a case, all the different images and videos that may have been on a suspect's computer, you can do that simply by going to the top of the page where it says images/videos. And what it's done is it's scoured the entire drive of the suspect's computer and is looking just specifically for images and videos. So I'll click on that, and here we see that there are 134 pictures just in this location alone, and we can kind of scroll through them. It's going to go show them for you as it extracts everything for you. It also shows you exactly where they are. So if I click on app data, for instance, it shows me that under documents that there's a picture right there. I can click on another. There's another picture. So I can double click on that picture and I can see that picture a little bit more closely. Of course, this one doesn't look very suspicious, but some of the pictures that you find on a suspect's computers might be. So I'll just go ahead and expand that for you just so you can see that a little bit more easily. Let's go ahead and click on another one. We see that this is a zip file of a lot of different pictures. If you have multiple data sources, you can go to where it says data source, and right now it says all, but if you have multiple data sources here, you can select specific data sources, and that's if the user has multiple different hard drives or volumes to look through. You can also tag specific things for follow-up, for bookmark, for notable item, that kind of thing. So if we click this particular one, we click follow-up, and we can see under the tag that it has the follow-up tag here over on the right-hand side. If I change that to, say, bookmark, we can do that as well. And now it says bookmark off on the right-hand side. What's interesting is that there's these little flags here. And if you select the flags, we see it changes to bookmark/follow-up. We click it again, it just shows bookmark. We click it again and it shows it with both of them once. So this little tag here just basically gives you and your investigators another way of communicating with each other about certain things that should be looked at. Under Categorize Groups Files, we see child exploitation. We're looking for illegal. It says, hey, there's nothing illegal on here. Fantastic. Then it says child exploitation. There's one non-illegal one. And we see these 4 different videos, but it doesn't always pick what it knows for sure as a child. It's just suspected as a child. And we have CGI animation. Click on that. Files in this category will have their own categories overwritten. Okay, go ahead and overwrite. And now it's overwritten the previous thing, which was non-illegal, and now instead it shows it as CGI animation. So basically I'm just recategorizing this. And on the right-hand side, you can even see under category, CGI animation, child exploitative. So if you find something that you think might be an issue, you can go ahead and change the categorization, and then you can use that in your investigation. And when you go ahead and run your report, it will show these particular pictures, and it will show the category that you just categorized them at. We can also go up and change the priority as well. We can say no priority. We can say group name or group size. So that is how you get a quick view of all the images and videos that may be on a suspect's computers, as well as tag that information for future follow-up and reporting.